everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review the UBANK Savings Account. UBANK offers a high-interest savings account with no monthly fees, making it an attractive option for saving